Right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. It's Monday, it's the 24th of April 2023, and I'm here to bring you a look at the weather forecast for South East England for the next 24 hours. It's not too bad out there at the moment, variable cloud and sunny spells, but the weather will be going downhill today, and some places will be getting quite a soaking. Not everywhere though. So we'll start off by taking a look at the temperatures around. So my back garden, we're running here at 7.8 degrees. Move down towards Hastings, you're running at 6.3. Fleet in Hampshire, 6.9. Aylesbury in Bucks, you're at 5.9, bit chillier further north and west at the moment. Move over towards Welwyn Garden City, you're sitting at 6.6. Romford in Essex, 7.2 degrees. And this time we're going to come south of the river. I think it's at Rotherhithe, you're at 8.6. Top of the hots this morning is the Isles of Scilly, St Mary's at 9.6, and the lowest temperature, as expected, minus 3.5 further north at Cairnwell. So it is a rather chilly start, and it is a rather chilly day to come. And the reason for this is that we've now got this area of low pressure that's sitting in the North Sea. What it's doing, there are some weather fronts in tow. And what this is going to do, this is going to start bringing down this cooler air from the north. Now, we are late April now, so this isn't a wintry blast by any stretch of the imagination, but it does become unstable. It does become showery. Right, this is the scene that this was earlier at midnight, and this will be the picture at midnight tonight. So by then, the weather fronts would have moved out the way, and what you've got in tow is an area of high pressure that is going to be coming down and sitting across the UK overnight. Winds will fall light, skies will clear, and temperatures will fall. There is a frost risk tonight. I will be coming on to those temperatures towards the end of the video. But outside at the moment, this is Minster on the Isle of Sheppey. Variable clouds, some sunny spells around, not too bad, rather dry at the moment, but there are a few showers around. And if we just pan in there, if we take a look at the radar at the moment, there are a few showers coming across parts of North Kent at the moment. But the real trouble is looming. I say not trouble, but the heavier showers are looming towards North Wales and Ireland. And what these will be doing over the course of the next few hours, they will be moving this way into the southeast of England. So if we now go on to the icon, just to see how they want to play this out. This is the scene at 9 o'clock this morning. Notice how you've got this area of low pressure, discrete area of low pressure tucked in this flow. And if we just run this sequence through, this is midday today. Notice how after a dry morning, the showers do start to develop, more especially towards the south of Kent and towards the southwest of London. But as the afternoon progresses, those showers become more intense, more heavy and more frequent. Don't rule out the odd rumble of thunder in this. But looking at this chart, it will show that most of this rain will be centred to the south and the west of London. So if you're in parts of Essex, Hertfordshire, North London, perhaps not quite as intense the rainfall. And then throughout the course of the evening, this is at 8 o'clock, those showers do start to edge away. And by midnight, everywhere is dry and there will be clear air coming down from the north. And as a result, temperatures will start to fall. Before we come on to those temperatures, we'll just take a look at the expected precipitation amounts today. This is in millimetres. 25 millimetres in old money is 1 inch. So quite a soaking for some parts of, well, Wiltshire, North Hampshire, places like that. But many places across the southeast will be experiencing rain, apart from the northeast of London, some parts of Essex and Suffolk. Maybe parts of Hertfordshire towards the northern parts of our region could escape with a relatively dry day, but yet wet towards the south and the west. Breezes, no real issues today. Light, westerly or northerly. Notice how those northerly breezes will be pushing down. This is at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Light breezes. And these are your maximum temperatures today. No great shakes, peaking at around about 12 or 13 degrees. Big story tonight will be the temperatures. They will fall close to or just below zero in many places, in many rural locations. It's worth mentioning, could get down to -1, -2 in a few stations. Again, mainly towards the west and north of London. But if you're seeing 1s and 2s, These are air temperatures. Ground temperatures will be colder, and the frost risk is very real, perhaps just around the coasts, escaping most of that frost. So that is it in summary. I hope you've all found the forecast useful. Suffice to say, a bright morning, showers this afternoon, heavy, especially towards the south and the west of London. Skies clearing overnight to bring a widespread rural ground frost. That's it for me. I'll be back tomorrow morning with the next forecast. But in the meantime, all have a lovely day. Look after yourselves and ciao for now.